Vulcan, the eco-friendly anti-scale system. Made in Germany.
Vulcan is an eco-friendly water treatment system that prevents limescale deposits and rust in piping systems and equipment. Vulcan also gently reduces existing limescale deposits in old pipes and appliances. The eco-friendly Vulcan Impulse technology works without salt, without chemicals, and without magnetism, and thus protects the environment. The eco-friendly Vulcan anti-scale system is installed at the Dongfeng Honda Automobile Manufacturing Company in China. Severe scale buildup in the cooling system of the production robots was impacting the efficiency of the production line. To address this, the Vulcan S25 was installed on the main pipeline of the circulating water system. After just 3 months, scale buildup was significantly reduced and the use of chemicals and acid was minimized. Now, only simple manual cleaning is required, resulting in an estimated annual savings of $4,700. More Vulcan references, studies, and test reports you can see on our website, tuwtvulcan.com. Contact your local Vulcan distributor to get a Vulcan test unit for your application.